All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is figure 5-56 ring. The base is 1/2 inch by 7/8 of an inch by 7 inches. The ring, the outside ring here is 4 inches outer diameter. The inner diameter is 3 inches. And the A to B, which is 2 inches. All right. We got two views. This is your front view. And your top view is going to be a setup like this here. So let's go to the drawing. I've already set up my layer properties. You got your center lines, your dimension lines, your hidden lines, your object lines, your title block, and your construction lines. And we're not going to worry about the title block today, but we'll talk about your construction lines, your object lines, your hidden lines, your dimension lines, and your centers. So all of that's going to be taken care of, just like normal. Your units are already set. Let me hide this thing here. I want to show you the units are already set before I start drawing anything. We're set to fractional, so we'll do OK. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and set my zero axis here. I'm going to put my vertical member here. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my 4-inch diameter right here on the center point. So 4. I'm going to set my interior diameter to 3. I'm going to then take that line that they have here from A to B and draw it here. So I'm going to draw a 2-inch line here. We'll go this way 3.5, 3.5. I'm going to go down 0.5. Yeah, I'm trying to hold my mouse. My mouse sensitivity is a little high. You can go all the way down 7 inches. Get back up 0.5. And back over 7 inches. Be right there in the middle. Now, I've got my constraints all turned on. So I'm going to go to my constraint bar settings. I'm going to clear all of them. All right, so now what I've got to do now, one-half inch by 7/8 by 7 inches. I've got that pretty much done. Only thing I've got to do now is I've got to get this bottom ring here fixed up here. And if I'm not mistaken, I drew that wrong. Yep, I did. And here's how I drew it wrong. A to B is 2 inches, so my 2 inches was right here. See, that's 2.5. There's my 2. Come over 3.5. Come back up 0.5. Come over 7. Down 0.5. Take that line out. This line here. Now, primarily, that's what you have for your front view. And then I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. I'm going to set my construction lines going straight up. I can offset that construction line, or I could just go down here and just reset it. If I offset this construction line here from the center, I know I got to go at least 2 to get over here, but I need 4 to get it up where I need to get it. And then I'm going to offset that line right there, 7/8 of an inch, 0.875. Now I'm just going to block in everything with my construction lines. Remember your construction lines, you can go up here to your draw and get them. Or you can just type in Excel on your command line or on your keyboard and draw them. It's whichever you choose to do, just whichever's going to be quicker for you to do. Now we'll just come back and change our object line layer. Don't want to change the color, just want to change the layer. Blocking it in. You only need 2 views for this one because your right side view is not going to be that much different than this view. This edge here is going to show up as a rectangular edge, even though it's round. This line in here is going to show up as a hidden line. This line here is going to be a hidden line. And we're going to offset this line here 1/4 inch, just to make it easier for us to draw with. I gotta get it backwards. I'd set that to the wrong side. I'm sorry. 0.25. And then I'm going to change to my center line. And this is the reason why I draw that. I offset those lines there to make that easier to draw. And then I'm going to change to my construction layer. My object layer. I don't want to change the color. I just want to change it to the layer. And go in and block this one out. Come over here, block this side in. Then get your circle tool, 2 inches. Oh, nope. Inside diameter is not 2, it's 3. And then we're going to go right here. And go up here and select my start, center, end arc. We'll start right there, center, and end. Now I got to go in here and extend my line here because I did not extend it far enough out. And there we go. And now we'll go up here and turn off my construction lines. We'll change it to my dimension layer. Dimension my I don't like the way that dimension there looks, so I'm going to change it. That looks better there. 7/8 of an inch, diameter 4. Now what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to go here and change my dimensional style. DIMSTY. I'm going to modify my dim style. My text, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to from 1/8 to 5/16. Make sure my primary units are still set. Fractional. Okay. And close. Get my hand tool, and which is also my pan tool. Hit escape. Move that out just slightly. Give that plenty of room where you can see that dimension. Diameter 4, diameter 3, 7 inches, and we got 7/8 this way. Any questions? I'll be standing around helping you guys out. So let's get to work.